My name is Jesse Davis. I'm a local entrepreneur here in San Diego. And having said that, finding a quality service, especially one that is going to provide testosterone replacement therapy, laser hair removal, acne treatment, this is a process, right? And so the credibility and trust that I've found here at MedHero is top of the food chain. It really is. Dr. Keith and Dr. Greg come from an emergency room background, and so I found that their expertise is very high level. They've been able to help my entire family with different services. My wife has been incredibly happy. My kids, of course, being at an age where acne and skin problems can cause them to have a lower self-esteem. Well, Dr. Keith and Dr. Greg have helped out with that, and it's been tremendous for their self-confidence and their self-esteem. And so MedHero is a family affair. Again, I would recommend it to anyone. We're not located here in La Costa. We're actually further out where we have an office in Rancho Bernardo. So, it's a short drive, but the drive is worth it. There's no doubt about that. Again, I use their testosterone replacement therapy at 46 years old. I found it very important for recovery. I'm a martial artist. I run a business. I'm limited on my time. I'm not always getting the best sleep. And so having said that, I love the testosterone replacement therapy and the IV therapy, the hydration. After you might have a couple glasses of wine, too many, you can come here and the facility is beautiful. You can relax, listen to music, watch TV while you're getting your IV therapy. And so it is like a resort almost when you walk in and you hang out and you can use the amenities here and you just feel at home. It's professional, world class, first class. And they're always coming out, with drinks and snacks, and it's just, this is the place, this is where it's at.